Welcome to Marigold Lincoln. My name is Evan. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2025 Lincoln Navigator.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
As you can see, this is not the 1998 Navigator of the past, the first full-size luxury SUV. We have an all-new front-end design. Taking a step back, we have the Jet Appearance package, which gives us the 22-inch black wheels, as well as some other black accents on the exterior. Inside, we have an all-new 7-passenger luxury interior to take a look at. Super excited about that. And then finally at the back, we have the wildly popular split tailgate design. But yeah, first let's go take a look at the front. At the front, Lincoln has come out with a bold new design for the Navigator. We have these beautiful, stylish LED headlights, this daytime running light bar that comes across this massive front piano black grille, some more black accents down here that come with the Jet Appearance package, and then one of my favorite features is actually that the side markers wrap all the way around into the fender. This Navigator features the Jet Appearance package, which we've already talked about. It includes the black accents along the side here, black mirrors, and the power black running boards. But that's not the most exciting part. Let's go look at this new tailgate. So one of the biggest changes Lincoln has made to the Navigator actually is this rear design. Starting off up here, we have the rear hidden wiper, the LED light bar that spans the entirety of the back encased in glass with the Lincoln logo. It looks absolutely incredible at night. We have this black accent piano finish, tow hitch cover there, and then what's most impressive to me actually is the split tailgate. So with this configuration here with the tailgate up, it actually makes it easier to load things out without items spilling out the back. So with the lower tailgate down, I like to think that Lincoln was thinking more tailgate, beach party, family camping trip, things along those lines to kind of give you those experiences. Speaking of camping, the Navigator gives you multiple ways to keep your device charged. We have a traditional plug-in at the back here, 12 volt, as well as a couple USB options as well. Loading larger items has never been easier with the power folding third row and second row seating. But this isn't the seat you want to see. Let's go take a look at the all-new interior. Taking a look at the interior, the Navigator has room for 7 full-size adults. These seats are plush leather, heated and cooled in the front and second row, as well as the third row does have room for adults. So the front driver and passenger are treated to a 30-way power adjustable seat with 5 different massage modes. My favorite being the recovery mode. This wall-to-wall screen you're looking at is 48 inches wide. It's 3 customizable modules that can display the audio, weather, tire pressure, fuel economy, and more. All adjustable by using the second infotainment screen just located below. You really have to sit here to see how impressive this is. The audio system is a high-definition 28-speaker system with XM satellite radio and wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. Also included are other great apps like YouTube, Amazon Alexa, whatever else may come out because it features over-the-air updates from Lincoln. So taking a look at the wheel here, we have this new rectangular design, leather-wrapped, heated steering wheel. It features a set of haptic buttons that can control multiple features displayed in the driver's side of the screen. I'm not sure whether I'd rather be a driver or a passenger. Back here we have tons of space. Rear seats are heated and cooled as well. Panoramic glass up here. Sitting in the second row, we have this rear control panel, which allows back passengers to adjust the audio, climate control, access the heated and cooled seats, as well as the air quality control. We have some charging ports here for your phone. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So onto these back seats here. I'm about 5'10" myself. Without adjusting the seats in front of me, I still fit just fine. I do have some cup holders to my left. They are power reclining as well, and I have some more USB ports to charge my devices. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. My name is Evan. We cannot wait to show you guys this car in person. Come see us here at Marigold Lincoln.